In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to invite team members into your linear workspace. So let's get started. So here we are on linear, and now if you would want to invite a team member here into your linear, is that you just simply need to click here on your profile icon on the top left. And then from here, you should now be able to see these options. So you would want to go for invite and manage members. And then after that, you will now be prompted in here into the settings where you can see all the members in your linear. In my case, it's only me because this is just a tutorial workspace. And from here, you just simply need to click on invite button in the top right and then just type in their email. And then you can type in multiple, so you can just use the comma. For example, is that I'm going to type in an example email right here, right there. So that's one. And if you'd want to add more, just simply press on the comma and then space and then type in the email right there. And then same thing if you'd want to add more, so exactly like this. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to invite your team members into your workspace. And now you'd be able to see in here that they are now listed under invited, but they are not yet on active because they haven't accepted the invitation yet. And then you could also see the other details in here. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.